But the whole back is out.
Yeah, I'm on vacation. On my other vlogs, every time I'm on vacation, I break up everything into different vlogs or videos to make more content. That's my mom right there. So anyway, like I said, I break everything up in different days. So this is what you missed on my previous one. Me and my mom went to a yacht party, and out here in Aruba, this is my mom and her friends event. My mom doesn't drink, she doesn't do anything, so she doesn't mind me coming with her. You know, I'm not gonna see her in a bad light, but I turned up, y'all already know. So I had to put that out there because a lot of people question why I'm going with my mom somewhere, why I'm always on vacation with mom. And the thing is, me and my mom are business partners as well. We have multiple businesses together. We have a marketplace that's growing. So follow me, get to know me. You guys know I vlog everything about my life. Actually, I talk about too much about my life. But yeah, anyway, subscribe. And then we're going to jump into this vlog. So I'm still showing you guys what happened in the last one. I'm still going to link everything below for you guys to catch up. But today, well, actually tonight, we're going out to South Beach out here in Aruba. I'm going to take you guys to see the nightlife. And let me warn you guys, the quality of this video is not as good because it's not a lot of light. But stick with me. It gets better.
Get back in church. Remember who took it at first, and don't you forget it. Got you a whip, and you got.
All right, so I'm wearing this necklace to cover my scar. You guys already know. These earrings. These are for one of me and my mom's vendors. All right, so this is gonna be my outfit for tonight. I'm wearing this.
You wearing that? But the whole back is out.
Yeah, I'm on vacation. Waiting for a taxi. Usually it's taxis lined up. I told the receptionist to order us one. So I changed my purse. I was gonna wear that cute red one, but I'm using this one instead. It's from me and mom's online store, Bourgeois Boutique. You guys already know. Get you one. It comes in every color. We have pink, rose gold. Oh, they're our taxi. And yeah, I'm gonna put the link in there. But yeah, here's our taxi. And some of these taxi drivers are rude, y'all. Okay. He's just driving off. Alright. Alright, y'all. So that was not a taxi. So I'm sitting here with him.
Basela beda dos, kami ito bahay bahong hindi na South Beach. Okay, South Beach.
It's a South Beach. And of course, it's copyright music, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. You guys know how I feel about voiceovers. But I do want to address this real quick. You see how it says Soul Beach, well, SBMF? That's the Soul Fest. That's the reason why we're out here. And me and my mom come every year. They are charging us to go to these bars that's usually free, and it costs $30. So a lot of people don't want to pay, so they just walk in the middle of the street and turn that into a party. My mom ended up paying the $30 because of course we wanted to get out of our room. My mom's friends did not come with us because a lot of them didn't want to turn up. So I have to show you guys my purse again. This is from Bourgeois Boutique, me and my mom's business. It's so freaking cute, and it comes in different colors. Like I said earlier, if you want to purchase, I have a link below. I know it's probably confusing because me and my mom keep bouncing back from different spots. Across the street is one club, and then the other side. So you keep on walking back and forth. And do you guys know who that guy is right there who's talking? That's Flex Washington.
What you tell them, what you tell them, everybody
Alright, y'all, so the club is over. Oh, look at my hair and my face. Oily. But whatever, I'm on vacation. So, someone says that after hours, at the meal, out this way, it's gonna be all tourists. Well, what about Uber there? Uber person was there. Yeah, she said, but she like, she was like right down the street. What you want to do? That's what she said. Oh. They have no helmet on. Guess they don't have to. Oh, this is Fat Tuesday. What's that mean? Our hotel right there. You see the castle?
Yeah, that's what we have.
Right here.
That's where I got it.
Let's go see. Okay, so we talked to a native, and apparently we walking the right way to the meal. He said go follow everybody else because they walk in there. I'm like, okay. Oop.
So it has to be past our hotel.
Our hotel right here.
Yeah, hotel right here.
All right, y'all, we found it. I got a little scared. I wanted to turn around, but we made it, y'all. There we go. This is the club. It's over, I think, at like a 6 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning. It is free for all women to enter. I don't know how much it costs for men. And this is a gay club. Nobody told us that. Not tired from the club that we just went to and you're trying to come out here in Aruba and you still want to turn up, this is a nice spot, chill vibe. They still serve drinks and they have hookah available. Alright, y'all, so we're leaving. That was a gay club, y'all.
Nothing against gay club.
I know. And nobody told us that. Ooh, funny. But yeah, we're walking back to our room. And I think I got bit on my foot. So I need to expect it when I get home. I mean, get to the room. Whew. And I have heartburn. I need to drink some water. Yeah. I mean, I haven't drank enough water. I knew I didn't drink enough water. I was so dehydrated today. I can tell. Yeah, I wasn't get sick. I was just like really, my body was saying you need water. And we was under the sun, like literally for hours. I wasn't drinking enough. And I wasn't, and I was drinking alcohol. My face is oily. We saved $10. It costs us, at night it's like a flat rate of $10 to catch a taxi.
Day rate, exactly. This used to be 8.
Yeah. Thank you. I think this side is higher. Does it look higher? The hill? We at our hotel from a big hill. It's Concord. We burned off everything we ate for the past couple of days.